home remedies for smooth and shiny hairs. Every woman wants to have smooth and silky hairs. Short or long, curly or straight, shiny hair always gives a good impression. The outer layer of healthy hair contains natural oil to keep it moist and shiny. When this outer layer of the healthy hairs is damaged, your hair will look dull, unhealthy, and dry. Some of the factors that contribute to the dull hair are illness, nutritional deficiencies, use of harsh hair care products, not using a good conditioner, overexposure to sun, use of harsh hair care product, not using a good conditioner, and overexposure to sun, frequent use of the hair dyes, age, excessive stress, high mineral content in the water, chlorine in the swimming pool, and the use of heating tools. Number one is eggs. Eggs are perhaps one of the best ingredients to provide nourishment and shine to your hair in minutes. Being a good source of protein, fatty acid, and lecithin, eggs help repair damaged and dull hair by adding moisture and shine. Eggs also help to make your head strong and thick. Mix 1 egg white and 1 tablespoon each of the olive oil and honey until you get a smooth paste. Apply this paste on the damp hairs and cover your head with a shower cap for about 30 minutes. Then wash your hair with a mixed shampoo and cool water. Number 2 is beer. Beer works as excellent hair tonic. The proteins, hops, and malts in the beer help to repair the damage in hair cuticles and provide nourishment to hair follicles. This in turn adds luster and shine to your hairs. Wash your hair with shampoo and then apply flight beer over the roots and ends. Massage the beer thoroughly on your scalp. Allow it to sit for about 5 minutes and follow this remedy for about 2 weeks. Number 3 is coconut oil. To get shiny hair, it is important to provide nourishment by applying oil to your hair regularly. Coconut oil is one of the best options. It helps to restore the moisture to dry and damaged hair, in turn making it shiny and healthy. Apply warm coconut oil on your hairs, foam and roots to the ends. Massage for a few minutes and then wrap your hair in a shower cap for a towel for about 30 minutes. Rinse your hair with water, then shampoo, then conditioner like normal. Number 4 is mayonnaise. And you will be surprised that mayonnaise has amino acids, proteins, antioxidants that will make your hair strong, soft, healthy, and shiny. 1 of the half cup of full of mayonnaise you need as your hair length. Apply it fresh washed damp hairs. Cover hair with a shower cap for about 30 minutes. Thoroughly wash your hair with cold water and mild shampoo. Repeat this remedy on a week basis. Enjoy hydrated and shiny hairs. Number 5 is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a fabulous hair conditioner that makes your hair soft, shiny, and moisturized. It is also help to remove built-up residue that make your hair look dull, lifeless. Plus, it can help to treat dandruff, itchy scalp, and frizzy hair. Mix together equal part of the apple cider vinegar and water. After shampooing, pour the mixture into the hair and massage it onto the scalp. Let it sit for about few minutes before rinsing it off.
You like the video, don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.